Hello, good luck. My name is Rick Tomi Panakal. I'm from India, and this is Ramandeep Singh. He is also from India. We are candidates to Foreigners Council in Fulda. The election will be on 14th of March this year, and we have established a list, Demokratische Union Fulda, and we would really like to introduce internationals in Fulda, especially international students. And Ramandeep Singh will now talk more about the union.
Before I talk about the union, I would like to give a shout out to the Foreign Council. So what is Foreign Council Board? So it's a political gremium, political board where we can go and have our word. So it is basically elected for 5 years. It's a voluntary work, and it consists of 11 people. People from different countries are there and talk about the issues we are facing as an international in Germany, in Fulda specifically. And the Foreign Council Board have a lot of tasks. Let's suppose we are also focused on sports, free time activities, anti-discrimination, because you have a different color and people behave very differently with you. So that is why we have also created an international party, and right now we are just less members, and we also would like to we look forward to have more people in our party, so that in our list, like they say. And yeah, so that's the just brief introduction about the Foreign Council Board. And now I would like to ask Sirik, so what we are going to do with this.
So, first of all, there is a Foreigners Council existing in Fulda. With our presence, we want to bring a little bit more diversity to the Foreigners Council, because right now it's represented from people from only a few countries, so few languages and few regions. But with our presence, we wish to bring more representation, and we wish to bring everyone into the list. So at the moment we are just 2 of us. We hope by the next time we'll have more people from different countries, different continents, rather than focusing in some particular region.
And I would also like to add that it's a small city, more than only 90,000 people are living here. So what we are also wanted to do is to offer the international culture here, festival, where we come from different countries and introduce ourselves, and they will also have an opportunity. Let's suppose I am from Delhi, so he's from Kerala, and we don't speak the same language. That is why the different countries people, let's suppose from Pakistan or Bangladesh, they can also introduce themselves. So we would like to offer the opportunity, the platform where people can come and introduce themselves, and then we can learn from each other. Do you want to say anything else?
And I am living in Fulda for the last 3.5 years, and I just heard about the Foreigners Council just once the election was announced. And I think we would really like to bring some more visibility to the Foreigners Council, and especially there are a lot of international students with a big Hochschule, applied university in Fulda, and we would really love to represent the international students and welcome more international students in Fulda.
And now we also have people also joining us.
Yeah.
So what do you think about do you think it's a how do you see this Foreign Council? Did you know about it?
No, I did not knew about it before Ramandeep informed me about it, and I think it's a very essential committee that has to be formed in a place like Fulda, because there are many international students here, not just from one country, but as Ramandeep said, from 120 different nations, and having the problems of these countries presented to some other platform, to another wider platform, is very essential. And I think this is a very good task that you guys are doing, and good luck with that.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And we also want, like on 14th of March, so maybe you also have got the list, the sample list. There you can also see in the middle DUF, that is Democratic Union Fulda. You can go and vote for us if you like, like what we are doing, and we would be happy, like to represent you as a person in the, like, because we are the representative, but we are representing you there in front of the mayor. So thanks a lot, and see you. Bye bye. All the best for your exams if you have any left.